So in this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to train your pet and give it new abilities. If you need to tame a pet, I have done a previous video on this, which I'll leave in the description of this one. Feel free to go and check that one out first and come back to this video. But in order to actually train your pet, what you need to do is first tame one and do the training phase. Once you've done that, we can see here that I've got my pet. It's currently got a new ability, which it already had when I tamed it, which is charge, but now I need to go ahead and train it. And by doing that, I can go to my spellbook and abilities here, go to the general tab here. You will see that there is a beast training option here. Click that, and then you'll see two abilities here. In this case, I've got Growl rank 1 and Growl rank 2. You can see that these don't cost any points. I can't currently do Growl rank 2 because my pet is not level 10 yet. It's currently level 9, so it's still using Growl rank 1. But once it's leveled up, I will be able to train it that. In order to get new abilities for my pet, I need to go down here and see the pet trainer. You can find one of these in every major city. Right click him and say train me in the ways of the beast. You will see here as well now that there are additional abilities that my pet can learn. So I'm going to take greater stamina here and natural armor. Once I've learnt those abilities, I can then go to my spellbook, take beast training, and again give my beast these when the time comes. This currently costs 1 training point and the greater stamina one costs 5 training points. I don't currently have that for my boar. I will get that for the boar as the boar levels up and is also gaining happiness. So on the pet side of it here, you can see that I've currently got -5 training points because I've only just tamed this one. But you will see as his loyalty level rises and as his XP rises, these will start to go into the positive, and then I will be able to train him accordingly. You'll see with his abilities here that they're currently toggled on. In order to toggle them off, you just need to right click them. And every time your pet uses an ability, you can see here that Growl costs 15 focus while charge costs 35. The focus is shown here, so he's currently at 100 out of 100, and much like a rogue's energy, this will regenerate over time. I hope this guide has helped you with your pet training in Vanilla World of Warcraft.